Good morning to Dr. Fahmi. I'm Dion Xiaojing from 2 PPI SMP Science 1. Now I'm going to share my slide. Today, I would like to present about unplugged activity. The name of the unplugged activity that I conducted is Lego and the Animal. There are two objectives in this activity. The first one is to understand the key skills in computational thinking. And the second one is to build an animal by Lego while only listening to the instructor's verbal instructions. These are the materials and apparatus that I use in the activity. Lego building bricks, a piece of paper, table, pencil, glue, cardboard, scissors, and a marker pen. These are the procedure. The first one, the instructor and the player will sit opposite to each other on two ends of the table. The cardboard was placed at the middle. Secondly, the completed Lego animal was observed by the instructor, but the player did not see it. Then the instructor was asked to give one instruction at a time to the player to build his Lego animal. And the player required to build the Lego animal without seeing the model, but just listen to the instructions from instructor.
Hi everyone, my name is Dion Xiaojing and I'm from 2 PPI SMP Science 1. Today I'm going to conduct an unplugged activities. The topic is Lego and the animal. These are the materials needed: a piece of cardboard, Lego building bricks, a piece of paper, glue, pencil, marker pen, and scissors.
Arrange 4 red-brown 2x4 building bricks into square shape. There will be an empty space between these 4 building bricks. This will be the layer 1 of the shell. Form a rectangle with 2 2x4 red-brown building bricks by arranging them next to each other. Connect it onto the center of layer 1. This will be the layer 2 of the shell. For the third layer, put and connect a 2x4 red-brown building brick in between the two 2x4 red-brown building bricks at the second layer. The next part is the feet. Add the 4 2x2 line building bricks on each of the bottom corners. These are the feet of the animal. The next part is the head and neck. To build its head and neck, connect the 2x2 line building brick on the first row of the 2x4 line plate. The next is build up. Connect the shell with the edge of each of 4 2x2 line building bricks. Connect the middle of the shell with the third row of the 2x4 line plate. Leave the second row of the 2x4 line plate empty. The next part is the eyes. Draw and cut a small circle on a piece of white paper. Draw a dot by using a marker pen at the middle of the small circle. Stick the small circle on the left side of the head by using glue. That's all.
There are 5 important key skills. The first one is decomposition. Decomposition means the complicated problems can be more manageable by breaking down them into smaller parts. In the unplugged activity that I conducted, I break down the Lego animal into different body parts, such as front and hind legs, head, shell, by listing out the characteristic of the animal. The second one is pattern recognition. Examining the patterns or similarities of the problem to previously solved problems, it can simplify a solution. So, in these unplugged activities, the similarities of the tortoise is the front and hind legs. The front and hind legs of the tortoise have similar building bricks pattern, size, and color. Therefore, we can use the same way to build it. The third skills of the computational thinking is abstraction. Taking a step back from the specifics of a problem allows you to come up with a more general solution. Analyzing the problem in order to eliminate unnecessary detail and highlight the essential components. We must emphasize the most important and essential characteristic of the tortoise, which is its shell. This is because the shell is the most symbolic feature of tortoise. And the fourth one is algorithms. When attempting to solve a problem, it's critical to develop a plan for your solution. Algorithm is a strategy for determining the step-by-step instructions for solving a problem. Algorithms can be written in simple language or flow charts. So in the activity, I list out the steps of building a tortoise by using building bricks by expressing the patterns, colors, and the size of building bricks used. So the final one is evaluation. Evaluate the completeness of work by comparing the final product and the sample product and determine whether there is anything that can be improved. That's all from me. Thank you.